Merrill Edge Funding Options Overview. Transfer, check deposit, and account funding. When adding money to your Merrill Edge account, there are several secure options, and in today's video, we are providing you with a very simple overview. So let's just dive right into the video. So we have different options, and these are some of the funding options. So one of them is Bank of America or Merrill Transfer, which is bank account transfer, direct transfer from another bank. What we can do is we can link our external bank account to Merrill Edge account, and we can fund our account using HCH transfers. Usually 1 to 3 business days for transfers to clear, and can be used for one-time or recurring deposits. For that, you can basically sign it into your Merrill account. After that, you can go to the account section and go to the funding, and you can select add funds and enter the bank info and amount and confirm up your transfer. That way you can do it. Apart from that, we have even physical checks, depositing mobile check deposit. You can use the Merrill application for that and take a photo of the front and back of the check, and you can follow up the prompts to submit. You can include a deposit slip or note, and you can just go over and provide it. And funds may take from 3 to 5 business days to clear, and depending upon the check type as well. And you can also transfer between Merrill, you can cut for account transfers, etc. as well. And you can move money between your Merrill Edge Brokers accounts or from Merrill Bank accounts as well. Typically instant or same day you can use for managing investment or IRA contributions. For that also you can sign it into your Merrill account. After that you can select from and to accounts and enter the amount, date, and submit. And apart from that, there are also other options such as wire transfer, fast, same-day deposit fees may apply, or IRA rollovers transfers, which is transfer retirement funds from another institutions, requires specific forms, etc. You can use those, and always double check your account numbers before transferring. Keep records of confirmation number for any kind of deposit. For larger transfers, consider calling the Merrill Edge support to confirm other details. But usually these are some of the key funding options. You can use those in order to view it. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more.